Good morning guys, and welcome back. This is just a short video. I thought I'd do this while I was tackling this job on my own. This is my 2017 Jaguar F Type V6S. I've had a lot of work done recently, which is renewing all of the cooling pipes. My plastics went on that, so I've had all that renewed, and water pump, everything in that area was redone. Supercharger, new parts fitted to the supercharger just for the gasket, etc. I've had belts renewed and so on. One of the things that I didn't have done was the supercharger oil replaced. So I just looked once on YouTube, etc., and saw that this was a pretty straightforward DIY type job. I've ordered the parts, which have arrived this morning from Powerhouse from eBay. So I ordered the new supercharger oil, and they didn't say it was really necessary, but I ordered one anyway, which was a new little screw bung that gives you access to the oil itself. So essentially all I needed was T30 screwdriver, which fits. This is on the V6, so apparently the access to these is easier than the V8, but that fitted nice and easily down. Didn't need to disconnect any of these pipes, anything. Just took the T30 driver down into the access hole there, and I used magnetic tool that I've got here with a magnet on the end. Couldn't go in from the top, so I just took the bung out from the side here, and that's given me access then to the hole. Powerhouse supply you with a syringe and a tube to pull the old oil out. They did recommend I put a slit in the end of the pipe, just that it gives you easier. I must do something down internally there, but if you feed then the pipe in, it sort of has some sort of resistance, so I presume that's the sort of blades, etc., that are in there. And then you will find, like that, it just then sort of feels a little bit of resistance, and then it does work its way down, and you can start to withdraw the oil. I've done 2 lots so far. It's pulling up 25 mil of oil on each draw, and as you see, if I do this one-handed, there you are, look. So let's just go in a tad there. You can see the oil is now starting to come up again, and it's pulling up. Seems to pull up about 25 mil each time, although I may need to get further down. Apparently the replacement to put back in is about 115 mil of oil, so I've clearly got to draw up that level of oil before I start putting any more back in. So I hope that helps. It's just a short brief video. I'm going to carry on pulling out the oil, and then as soon as I feel like I've got enough to then justify putting the 115 mil back in, then I'll put the new bung on. I did, as I say, order a new bung, but I think the old one's fine. I could have gone back on with that, and then yeah, that's one other service job done, and that pretty much completes, I think, everything that needed refurbishing, redoing on this engine. So I hope that helps. Thanks as always for your support, and please like and subscribe if that's and I'll try and bring along some other videos at some point soon. Thank you. Bye.